Hello everyone, today class number 10 for your electrical machine 2. Okay, so today I will start the new module, that is induction machine. Okay, induction machine. In this module, three-phase induction motor have been taught actually. So induction machine have two parts: single phase induction machine and three-phase induction machine. Okay, in your syllabus both two machines are there, but within this module, the detailing of this module actually is in three-phase induction machine part. So three-phase induction machine again classified into two categories: three-phase induction generator and three-phase induction motor. So this is not in syllabus. So in case of your three-phase induction motor, have to learn over this module. So it is better to do some heading, that is three-phase induction motor. Okay, so do some heading, three-phase induction motor. Okay, so before write this three-phase induction motor, write something about the AC machine. So this is the concept, this is the starting point of AC machine. Okay, this is the starting point of AC machine. So to before start this three-phase induction machine, write something over here. So write with the almost universal adoption, right? With the almost universal adoption of AC system, with the almost universal adoption of AC system of distribution of electrical energy for light and power, with the almost universal adoption of AC system of distribution of electrical energy for light and power, the field of application of AC motor has widened considerably during recent years. That means in recent, three-phase induction motor is very much popular. Why? Because universally AC system is being accepted. Okay, so as a result, motor manufacturers have tried over the last few decades to perform various types of AC motors suitable for all classes of industrial drives. Okay, and for both single and three-phase AC supply. So there is a tendency of manufacture any system that will operate on AC, both single phase and three phase. Okay, so this has given rise to multiplicity of types whose proper classification often offers considerable difficulty. So their different AC motors may, however, be classified and divided into various groups, form as follows different points of view. So actually there are lots of classifications are there in case of a three-phase induction motor. Okay. Now write construction of three-phase induction motor. Right. And three-phase induction motor consists of Roman 1 stator and Roman 2 rotor. Okay. So there are, for every like every motor, there are two types, that is two types of construction, two types of arrangement, that is stator arrangement and rotor arrangement. Okay. So rotor have two classifications. First one is squirrel cage rotor. And second one is phase wound rotor. Okay, these are the classification of rotor. So what is stator contains? Stator contains yoke. Stator contains pole. Stator contains winding. Okay, so stator contains yoke, stator contains pole, stator contains winding. Okay, and pole contains pole house. Pole contains pole house and pole shoe. So pole contains pole house and pole shoe. So write some sentence about this one first. Okay, so what is yoke? Write Roman 1 yoke. Right, yoke is the outside structural ring-like structure, or peripheral ring-like structure. Yoke is peripheral ring-like structure that protects from external damage. That is this is your yoke. Okay, that protects from external damage as well as provide a path. So this is the most important point of yoke. Now I am telling, as well as it provides a magnetic flux path through it. So it provides a magnetic flux path through it. That is, a magnetic flux can easily flow through this path. Okay. Okay, so this is your yoke and pole. Second one is pole. Right? Over the yoke, poles are installed. As it is a three-phase induction motor, poles are always 3n. Number of poles are always in 3n order. Now I am taking three pair of poles. Okay. I am considering three pairs of poles. So these are the poles. And third one. Okay. So next, right, within this pole consists of two parts. pole house and pole shoe. This section is pole house and this section is pole shoe. This is pole shoe. Pole house holds the windings. Pole house holds the windings, while pole shoes are used to distribute the flux generated by the winding. Pole shoe used to distribute the flux generating by windings. Okay, so pole shoe is used to distribute the flux. Okay, Okay, now whatever the flux is generating, it will try to distribute, okay, throughout the air gap. So this is the nature work done, importance of pole shoe. And pole house actually holds the conductor. Okay, over the pole house there is a conductors are installed. Okay, so next, right, third one, windings, right? Field windings are installed over the pole house. Field windings are installed over the pole house. Field windings are installed over the pole house to carry field currents to generate the field flux. To carry the field current to generate the field flux. Okay. Okay, so this is all about of your stator part. Okay, this is all about of your stator. So now I will move into the rotor part. Stator part is very easy, and now it is rotor part. So rotor means what? Inside the air gap there will be a cylindrical structure called rotor. Okay, there is a cylindrical structure called rotor. So right, so this rotor consists of some rotor conductors. So every rotor I am taking commonly, so no need to write separately, so take it as common. Rotor consists of shaft. Okay, so before shaft, rotor house. Rotor consists of rotor conductors. Rotor consists of end ring or non-end ring. It will be comes with the rotor conductor also. Okay. Rotor house, or you can say core also. Okay, rotor house, or you can write core also. And shaft, commutator segment. Okay. So actually rotor looks like separately I am drawing the rotor. Okay, this is looks like a rotor. So rotor consists of rotor house. So this cylindrical section is called rotor house or rotor core. Okay. So it is a hollow cylinder. Rotor core is a hollow cylinder. So write Roman 1. Rotor house. It is a hollow cylinder over which it is a hollow cylinder over which the conductors are installed. So another one is conductor. Okay, rotor conductor I have already written, right? Okay. So rotor conductors is next, right? Rotor conductor. This is a rotor conductor. Right? Rotor conductors are installed over the slot of the armature. This is a slot of armature over which the rotor conductors are installed, and which are permanently short circuited. Yes, see this green color section line is permanently short circuited. Rotor bars are permanently short circuited on themselves by two end rings. Okay, for squirrel cage rotor, and for phase wound rotor there are a slip ring arrangement. Okay, so for squirrel cage rotor they are this is only difference. The conductors are conductor in terms of bar. Okay, conductors in terms of bars. Conductors are short circuited by two end rings, and here slip ring arrangement. Rotor conductors are installed through slip ring arrangement. Through slip ring arrangement. Okay. So next, shaft. This is called shaft. Okay. And this one looks like here. It is a cross section figure, so that's why it is looking like here. So this is a commutator, right? This is shaft. This is commutator. This is armature house. Commutator. This is armature house. This is the conductors. Okay. So shaft. What is the need for shaft? What is the importance of shaft? Shaft is used to rotate the armature. By connecting. This is a sign for mechanical coupling. Okay. This sign of mechanical coupling by turbine T. So turbine actually rotates the induction generator actually, but here it is induction motor, so it will be basically a flywheel or a blade. For fan also it looks like a blade, so it is a fan like structure, so it will rotates, right? So it is blade. So there is a mechanical coupling in between this armature to the external rotating substances. Okay, so this is called your mechanical coupling. This sign is called mechanical coupling. Okay. So and commutator segment, this commutator segment actually is used in generator to collect the current coming from the armature. Okay, or to give the current to the armature. So this commutator segment is not important for your motor purpose. It will only applicable for generating purpose, but here I am make it general. So commutator segment is used to collect the current from armature in case of your generating operation. Sometimes induction motor can also act as generator. And that situation and that condition, this commutator have a role. Okay, so otherwise commutator has no role over here. Okay, so this is the construction of armature. And there are some external components are required. So write external component. External component. First one, right? Fans. Right. Light aluminium fans are used for adequate circulation of cooling air. And are securely keyed K-E-Y-E-D, keyed onto this rotor shaft. That means what? Fans are actually used to cool down this motor. Okay, there is a tendency of increasing of your heat energy, so it will used to cool down the rotor rotor heat. Okay, and second one, right? Slip rings, right? Slip rings are made of high quality phosphor bronze. And are molded construction. Okay, and are molded constructions. There was ventilator grill, and third one, ventilator grill. So ventilator grill is used to circulate the air when it is needed. So circulation of air when it is needed. So ventilator grill is very much important to eliminate the heat from the motor by utilizing the fan. Okay, by utilizing the fan. So this is all about the construction of three-phase induction motor. Next day I will start the operating principle of three-phase induction motor, and there are lots of theories are there. Okay, so today's class up to this much. Thank you. Okay.